Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pumping, Uniswap pumping, which is beautiful. Bitcoin, you can see going to 61,500. We got it at 48K on that drop, which is amazing. Market cap 2.2 trillion. Crypto market cap bouncing back. Total viewers on Bitcoin Price.live 52,000. And you can see the last few hours, the last 5 hours, huge pump on Bitcoin from 58,700 all the way to 60. How high did it get? 61,700. Huge volume coming in as well, which is amazing. And what's crazy is we're sitting at 61K and the fear, it's still at 26 fear. The funding fee is nearly negative. We're at $61,000, which is incredible. Big congratulations. Anyone that bought Bitcoin, Uniswap also pumped. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and great day yesterday. We had, we had Uniswap up 13%. I was buying Uniswap and I gave a buy order for Uniswap yesterday. In my video said it's going to pump. Pocket up 8%. Bitcoin up 3%. World 3%. Doge 3%. I bought $70,000 worth of Doge, or $30,000 worth of Doge yesterday. So total $70,000 now. Ethereum 2%. Total market cap, XRP, everything beautiful. Let's go into Bitcoin 61,199. I'll go into the weekly time frame. I always start off on the weekly time frames first. Crypto Guru bot, which it's a blue buy, fired in 2023 at 20K. The Crypto Guru bot fired. You get it at jamescryptoguru.com in the Crypto Master Course. Still a blue buy now at 61K. Bitcoin Indicator bot did not yet fire a buy after that drop. Stochastic on the weekly is oversold heading up, everyone. Oversold heading up. Volume is huge coming in, which is beautiful. Let's go closer onto on the weekly patterns as well. I've shown this a few times, but I'm going to show you again. We've got three massive patterns. One giant cup and handle that, if that plays out, takes us all the way to 105. We also have a big bull flag, which also takes us up to 105. And we have one more huge pattern, which is a... Let's see if I can... Whoops. We have one more large pattern here, and that's a descending broadening wedge, and I talked about this. Builds pressure and breaks out. So three huge patterns on Bitcoin right now, which is beautiful. Let's go into the closer time frame, onto the daily. On the daily, we're in the second to third impulse. We're breaking out of the bull flag as I predicted yesterday. Yesterday we also broke out and then come back in. That trade, yesterday's trade, did not activate. We came close. If you haven't taken a trade yet, I would try to take it from this yearly support, 58,400. Take profit is 105,000. Risk to reward is 89 times, risking $542 to make $48,000 per Bitcoin. Where in the world can you risk $542 to make $48,000 with no leverage? With 10x leverage, it's $480,000. The trade opens at 58,464. Stop loss 57,921. Take profit 105K. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Now we're going to go into my $600,000 account. If you want to trade like you see me do, go underneath the video, sign up to Bybit now. You get a $60,000 bonus if you use this link. And it's my favorite exchange for trading. If you've been getting liquidated or you have a lot of fees, Bybit is the best. Take the Crypto Master Course to learn all this, $333. Best course. You'll learn all the things I'm teaching here, 12 hours of courses. Join 9,000 other traders, and then join us in the Telegram. My Bybit account is 604,000. The last 3 days, 568,000, 578,000, 576,000, and today 604,000, which is beautiful. Look where guys, look at my Bitcoin trade, where I sold Bitcoin at 66K, where I bought Bitcoin at 48K, and now my trade is at 61K. The funding fee is negative. I'm getting paid to keep this trade open. My trade now is $18,954 in the profits, $19,000 in the profits, and I'm getting paid to keep this $316,000 trade open, which is incredible. 19,000. Look at my Uniswap buys as well, everyone. This is when I sold Uniswap. I sold it at $7.20 when I warned everyone before the drop. And look at my buys on Uniswap, all the way down to $4.70. Now we're back to $7, which is amazing. You can see my asset breakdown. Uniswap 13%, USDT 20%, Bitcoin 29%, Doge 14%, MCRT 13%, World 3%, Ethereum 3%. That's the breakdown of this account. 604,000, big pump yesterday, which is beautiful. Let's read some of your questions. Oh wait, let's quickly do Ethereum and then I'll read your questions. Ethereum 2.6, and I want to look at Uniswap and Doge. Ethereum first wave in effect. Let's get rid of this old pattern. Now we're in the new Elliott wave count on Ethereum. First wave is in effect on the weekly. Stochastic very oversold on Ethereum. Ethereum looks good for a massive run, everyone. Let's go close on to the daily. Overbought on the daily. Let's look at the Bitcoin indicator bot, actually. Ethereum Bitcoin indicator bot still blue buy, which it fired at 1,700. Bitcoin indicator bot did not yet fire a buy after it fired the sell before the drop. Interesting. Let's go close on to the daily. Daily sidewoods, 4-hourly stochastic heading up, volume coming in. Sidewoods chop on Ethereum. You can see we've got a very specific channel on Ethereum. It's between 2,500 and very, very tight channel, 2,693. So then what I would do here, it looks like it's going to pump out, but try to catch a long off this major area of support where it's retested many, many times at 2,000. Actually, you could catch it here even, 2,536, stop loss tight one, and take profit, taking it all the way back to 3,500. That's the trade I'll take on Ethereum, opening at 2,536, stop loss 2,514, take profit 3,572, 47 risk to reward ratio, risking $21 per Ethereum to make $1,000 with no leverage. 10x leverage will be $10,000. That's the trade I take on Ethereum. Let's go to your questions. And do you have physical business apart online businesses? I used to have a lot of brick and mortar franchises, properties, but now I'm just in stocks, cryptos, seed investments. I've invested in 80 different crypto companies. James, do you have a sponsored scholarship? Good question. No, but I will ask the team. I'll do a giveaway on YouTube and Twitter. I just have to organize it. I'll get the team to organize it. With the big uni pump today, are you taking any profits? Good question. I'll answer in the video now. Answer in the video. Thank you for asking, Thunder Up Man. Let's check. So Uniswap just pumped. Where will I take profits? Up 13%. Go straight onto the weekly. We're at a big resistance right now on Uni. You can see the channel on Uni is between $5, $3.90 and $7, and we just hit $7 after I bought it at $4.80. Amazing. But I think it's going to break out now, everyone. This is a descending triangle. It does this. Builds pressure, and breaks out the base of the triangle. So I think Uniswap can pump all the way to... Okay, big resistance, to be honest. Where is the major area of resistance? I would say it's here, $13. So that's a place I'll take profit on this trade at $13 because there is a big resistance. So it will get rejected there and then I can buy it back. So still another $6 away. If you haven't taken a trade, I'd open it at... If you haven't taken a trade on Uniswap, I'd try to catch it on a support here, $6.40, stop loss 620, and then take profit $18. Which is beautiful. Let's go more into your questions. I got burnt with Uniswap a few years back. After the bull run, all those exchange tokens went to dust. Everything went to dust after the bull run. So make sure you take your profits after the bull run, everyone, like we did in March. I'm from the USA and we can use Coinbase, Femex, and Kraken for exchanges. Awesome. I'll put the Femex link down below as well. My Litecoin USD trade got liquidated at 64 when the liquidation was 48 on Bybit. It never happened before. That's very weird. Check if it spiked down, but it's very weird that it would do that. James, you always awake. When do you sleep? Good question. I don't know. I don't need to sleep more than a few hours for some reason. 58 or 28%. I know Kamala wants to increase corporate tax from 21% to 28%, but haven't heard about 58%. It's the normal tax that they're going to increase plus the capital gains tax on unrealized gains, which is crazy if you understand. James, your video is excellent. I can't afford your course. Okay, the team will try and do a giveaway. An electing conman like Trump will be much worse. People, guys, Kamala Harris and Biden, they're puppets. It's not really president. At least Trump is like a real human being that you can talk to. That's not just a puppet of people. What they did under Biden and Harris, they had 2 wars: Ukraine, Russia, Israel, Palestine. Under Trump, he's anti-war. That's all I care about. All the other shit is bullshit. If the politician's anti-war, that's the only job of a politician, to make sure there's no wars, to make sure the countries are doing well. So Biden and Harris completely failed. 2 massive wars, massive inflation, etc. So I support Trump fully, because at least he's better than a puppet politicians. 58% tax is insane. They want to take over half the money than you actually make. It's crazy. Super moon. Now you need a super green candle, which it came. I love the sunrise too. I wish I could wake up early and watch it. My sleep schedule is whacked. Go to sleep at 11 o'clock. Then you get hit by melatonin. If you sleep at 11, then you will wake up at sunrise, which is the normal human time. Here, Kamala's policy so far: price control, 28% corporate tax, 44% capital gains tax, 25% tax on unrealized gains. It's crazy, everyone. This will slow economic growth and force companies to leave the United States. Taxing corporations, make them low wages, decrease jobs, and raise prices. It's crazy. It's like full-on communism, what they're proposing. It's really insane. As economist and like someone who's interested in market, it's crazy to me what they're talking about. Everyone, you can read here. They're discussing Trump, discussing INTG, INFP. I'm INTJ Jasper as well, I think. ENTJ, I think. I have to check. But check that out. That's your personality types that they're discussing. There's like few hundred of you on here. But BNB went to 575 for a few seconds. Congratulations, everyone. I hold a lot of BNB as well, which is beautiful. Okay, all the links down below. And I want to show you some comments from some of my students, just to show you what is possible if you take my courses and you learn and you actually study. This is possible for you as well. I'm up $122,000 on my investment, almost double my money. Thanks for the info you bring. Financial freedom is a beautiful feeling. It's very beautiful. James, my portfolio is up 50% because of your teachings. Beautiful. I'm in the process. I am 20,000 in profit with my portfolio this year. Amazing. Going for a lot more. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. The urgent buy Doge video came back in February, made $100,000. Beautiful. This is what you can do, everyone. These are my students. Bought a Ferrari 430 Scardia from Sweden, following your gains. I like to invest, but you have taken out some profits and live your life as well. I hope all is well in Thailand. You are a guru of investing. Thank you very much. I'm in the process of buying $2 million house from your videos. Thank you, James. My portfolio just hit over $1 million today because of James and his experience. Take the courses, learn all of this, everyone, and join us in making these gains. And over on X, you can follow me as well. I'm 86,900. I hit 87,000 followers yesterday, but it came back down. That was the video yesterday. 4,000. Uniswap up 12.9%. My sells and buys on Uniswap are amazing. Where I sold and where I buy, I just showed you in the video. Also on Bitcoin, where I bought, where I sold at 66K, and then where I bought at 48K. Amazing buys, sell, buys, and now I'm almost $20,000 in profits. People are gonna yell to not get political and stay in my crypto lane, but 45% tax on long-term gains and 25% unrealized is cancer. It's double tax on long-term crypto you sell. It's an instant 25% tax on any gains you're currently in. Being neutral is no longer possible, and a lot of people, any economist, anyone that understands economy, anyone that understands free capitalistic markets, anyone that hates communism, they're all saying this like me. It's very, very dangerous what Harris and Biden, they're proposing, and what they've done over the last 4 years. Crazy. Developer Tarek goes in depth building on Magicraft on recent team call. Check out the behind the scenes inside the game code.
Is the main scene.
Developers are amazing. Look at the code, like when you look at it behind the scenes.
Different screen sizes. So the canvas size as well will be changed, and the object positions will be changed.
Magicraft game is very complex game with so many layers. Look at this.
When it comes to the AI or the bot we have here, we can see that whenever he goes,
he's showing you the AIs inside the game. This is one of the developers in Magicraft. Great. Tarek is an amazing developer. Yesterday, he hit 87,000 followers, which is amazing. Thank you all so much on Twitter, 87,000, and on here, 83,000. That's my updates in the market. My account 604, my Bitcoin trade 19,000. Congratulations on Uniswap, Bitcoin. I think that market's really about to pump. But I will sell on the day of the election. Why? Buy the rumor, sell the news. So I do think if Trump is like guaranteed to win, or a lot of people thinking Trump will win, then on the day of the election, the markets, I think, will pump like crazy going into the election. And then that's when I want to sell, because as I've told you for many, many years, if you followed me on since 2009 on Twitter, since 2020 on these videos, buy the rumor, sell the news. My famous quotes are: big volume predicts price. Volume predicts price. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. This is a very powerful one in crypto that's played true. And always never short Bitcoin in a bull market. That's another one. And I'll get more. Love you all. Have an amazing day. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.